So, where I live in Alberta, there's been a lot of wildfires, and that's just something that's out of my control. But guess what I can control? How my lungs react to all this smoke.
So let me reintroduce you to one of my favorite teas for when you're congested, bronchitis, asthma. You got any of that? This is gonna be your best friend, especially right now with the horrible air quality. They're saying apparently if you breathe in the air right now, it's equivalent to smoking 10 cigarettes. I know that's nothing to you hookah and cigarette smokers, but to me, that's bad.